And winning the environmental war is a whole lot tougher battle, will require a long, sustained political, moral, ethical, and financial commitment far beyond any commitment ever made by any society in the history of man. Are we able? Yes. Are we willing? That's the unanswered question.
Earth, the planet we call home. It's been around for 4.5 billion years. Let that sink in for a second. And we've been here for a mere 200,000 years, and our population has erupted to 7 billion people. In that fraction of eternity, we have damaged the planet beyond recognition. Right from what we eat, to the things we build, to how we commute, to how we live. Which begs the question, have we made our future obsolete? So what is the price to pay for the rampant growth and development? Take a quick look at the facts and figures. At least a dozen species are going extinct every single day. It's the worst spate of species die-offs since the loss of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. The polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate. The climate across the globe is drastically changing. Natural disasters don't seem to surprise anyone anymore. The ozone layer is depleting. And we're just going about our lives, totally oblivious to the harm we're causing. Our future generations will need a home. And if that home is to be this planet, we need to act now. Our current sources of energy are the chief destroyers of the planet. Our relentless pursuit of coal and crude oil is poisoning the very air we breathe. The land our kids play on is riddled with garbage. The water that we drink and use is getting dirtier by the day. Our dependency on fossil fuels is at the heart of what's dragging us down. The blessing in disguise is that we're running out of petrol, and we need to find newer avenues to fuel our energy needs.
Global warming is on the rise. Exploitation of non-renewable resources of energy is a big contributor to the greenhouse effect, which in turn is adversely affecting our planet. For the survival of our planet, it is vital that human beings change the way they consume energy. The big question is there an effective and economical way to do that? The answer is a big yes, and here's how. Rooftop solar. Installing a rooftop solar is one of the most affordable solutions available. The best part, the sun is abundantly and constantly available to us. Let's see what the advantages of rooftop solar are. Benefits of installing rooftop solar plant are abundant. Rooftop solar uses energy from the sun to produce electricity, which can be used to power home, buildings and educational institutions, and factories and warehouses. It is also a smart investment as it helps cut back on electricity bills, thereby increasing savings. Additionally, the system generally lasts for a minimum of 25 years, needs minimal maintenance, and can be installed on any kind of roof surface.
Luckily for us, it's not too late to realize our mistake and take a step towards a sustainable and cleaner planet Earth. We have at our disposal a source of energy that has been around longer than our planet has. Are we ready to make the smarter choice and energize our future?
For more information, please contact us or watch our other videos.